Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to our subjects malware analysis and digital investigation presentation BAXZ 3453. And our group is consists of four people. From the left you can see Ilyasa, to the right Ammar, and it is me, Luqmaan, and the last one Aliff Hakimi. Alright, in this presentation we will talk about four different variants of malware from different type of malware family. And alright, I will go first, and our first malware that we will talk about is worm, and the variant is WannaCry. And the objective of this malware is to encrypt files on infected computers and demand a ransom payment in Bitcoin for their decryption. And the method of infection is by spreading rapidly as a worm by exploiting a Windows vulnerabilities. And the effect of this malware is it will encrypt users' files, rendering them inaccessible, and display a ransom note. It will cause a disruption globally, affecting hospitals, companies, and government agencies. This worm-like propagation led to widespread network infection. And the target platform is primarily focusing on Windows platform. And I will pass to the next one.
Hi, my name is Ilyasa Zamri, and I'm going to explain about the malware Trojan horse, which is Mohd. First one, the objective is to initially a banking Trojan designed to steal financial credentials. It is evolved into a primary delivery service for other malware like TrickBot and CrackBot, which is often led to a ransomware deployment. The method of infection is primarily through massive phishing emails and with malicious Microsoft Word document attachment or within links. Once it is inside a network, it could spread like a worm by brute forcing network share. The effect of the malware is it is acted as a loader, opening a backdoor for other dangerous malware and cause significantly financial damage to organization by facilitating the data theft and ransomware attack. Its worm component made it extremely persistent within infected network. The target platform is usually Microsoft Windows. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Ammar. I'm going to present about the rootkit, which is the startnet. So first of all, the objective of the startnet was a highly sophisticated cyber weapon whose objective was not just to steal data or disrupt system, but to physically damage irons, nuclear enrichment, and infrastructure. Its designer targeted industrial control system, specifically those that manage centrifuge or to cause real-world disruption. So for the method of infection, Starnet spread in two main ways. First, it propagated via infected USB removal drive, which let it jump air-gap system that were not connected to the internet. Second, it leveraged multiple zero-day vulnerabilities, including tenants similar to the internal blue class of SMB exploit, to move across local network when possible. Importantly, it was engineered to find and infect Windows machine running Siemens Step 7 engineering software. So for the effect of the malware, once inside the target environment, Starnet reprogram programmable logic controller PLC so that centrifuge would spin outside their safe operating range and break themselves. To avoid detection, it simultaneously fed normal-looking operational data back to monitoring system, effectively hiding the sabotage. This combination of stat and physical manipulation demonstrate that malware can cause direct physical disruption, not just digital damage. Last is the target platform. Startnet basically target Microsoft Windows hosts that run Siemens Step 7 software used to configure PLCs. The payload was crafted to interact with Siemens PLC, making the attack highly targeted to industrial control system. In short, Startnet is a seminal example of a worm hybrid design for physical sabotage. It changed how the world think about the cybersecurity by showing that malware can cross the boundary from cyberspace into the physical world. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, lastly, it is the Pegasus spyware. The objective is to be convert zero-click surveillance tool and allowing the operator to remotely access the targeted device and extract messages, photos, email, etc. Secondly, the method of the infection. It's usually required a victim to click to a link and later to be infected by the exploiting zero day vulnerabilities in iMessage and in the other apps. The effects of the malware is total compromise of the device privacy and security, and it allows the attacker to have complete access to the personal data sensors on the phone. It has been targeted towards journalists, activists, and political leaders globally. Usually, it has been targeted in iOS and Android mobile devices. Thank you.